Welcome. Welcome back to another episode of Kool-Aid Outdoors, everybody. And today, I'm just, there's no script for this, no nothing. We're just going to make a quick little video here. Hopefully no cuts, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to try to do this all in one shot to kind of show you the difference. But today, we are unboxing something I'm kind of excited for because I don't just do this outdoor stuff. I do the outdoor stuff, so that's why I kind of wanted it mainly, so that I could have better audio. And then for doing this kind of stuff, even until I get another mic, which is coming real soon. But I was hoping this would work, and I don't know. We'll see which one's better. But anyway, today, DJI Mini. Oh, do you see that? DJI Mic Mini. So let's do this. I got my camera too far up here. Hold on. See if we can do this. Alright, first off, we got, looks like just a little booklet with this, looks like a sticker in it. We don't, that's boring. We don't need to see that. Alright. So in here, big case. Let's pull this open. This is a little travel case for it. And then inside, I don't know if you can't see in there, but there's some kind of stuff in here. I'm guessing this is the mics, obviously. Let's see what other little stuff we got. Oh, this is the little dead cats for them. That's kind of cool. A couple of them here. So we got two of each. Not too exciting, I guess. Kind of though. Let's see what else. Got some cords. Okay, so this is the cord to connect it to the GoPro, which is what I'm using as a webcam right now for now. So that's kind of cool that I figured that out to use it. I don't know how my lighting is though. That might be too much. I don't know what's better here. All right, that, and then this is the charger, obviously, Type C. Looks like that is it. When I was doing research on these, nobody ever did mention, I don't know if you can see this, but inside of here, you cannot see it at all. There's little pouches in here. Yeah, you cannot see that whatsoever. So let's see if this works. All right, there we go. See those little pouches in here? The one, oh my goodness, this is horrible. Anywho, there's two little pouches in here. The one is really, really shallow. It looks like it's for like the dead cat, stuff like that. So kind of need to get a little place to stuff them in there, nice and shallow, so they're easy to reach and don't fall away to the bottom. That's awesome. That's a real good thing. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, a little pouch, they don't fall away to the bottom. Heck yeah. All right, let's get to the good stuff. I'm going to attempt to turn this mic on while we're filming right now so you can see the differences between the mic that I'm using, which is pretty sure it's just a laptop. Yes, it's just the laptop mic. So I don't know how good it is. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. Hopefully you can once we get these plugged in. I haven't even looked in these, by the way. I have not seen inside of this. You're going to see it before me. Ready? Bye. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Oh, it does come with it. Okay, I was getting a little worried there. Oh my goodness, I can't get it out. How do I do this? Holy cow. Okay, I've been watched a lot of videos on these, like a lot. I did not realize how small this transmitter is. Holy cow, this thing is tiny. Like, super tiny. Let me see here. And I don't know why only one of these is flashing. That makes me a little worried. Okay, this is what I was worried about, but I didn't realize it came in the case. This is the transmitter that you can plug into a cell phone or Type C, stuff like that. So I'm going to do that right now, which I don't know. You probably all know how to do this, but if you don't, there's a little door right here in the bottom. Slide that out. Oops. Helps if I go from the right side. Oh, it does snap right in. Okay. So we got that snapped right in. Okay. So now I'm going to attempt to plug this into the... All right. Now we're back. Since the light decided to die in the middle of filming, that didn't work out. All right. So, as you can hear now, we are on the DJI Mic Mini. I have one here on my hat that we're testing out, and then we're going to do this one. I'm going to put this on here just because, and I don't even know how to do it. Oh, that was actually pretty easy.
All right. So cute.
Here. Let's see if you can hear both of us. I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to show you real quick. So, my laptop has a Type-C transmitter, or Type-C outlet here, or inlet, whatever it's called, for this. Now, this mic, I haven't tweaked anything. I literally just plugged it in, and I hurried up and added it to my OBS while the light was off and getting everything ready, just to make this a little shorter for you guys. So, this is the test. This is where it's on my hat. I want to test it up here. And then, I just want to test it out here and see how it's doing.
Hey, Dad.
Can you hear yours?
Hello, hello. Hi, guys. It's me.
All right. Well, this is the test for the new DJI Mic Mini. We're testing it out and see how it goes. So now we're going to watch this video also. All right. So you guys are going to see here in a minute that the test I just ran again. I am also running this one just before. This one probably should have been last, but I don't want to reshoot it. So, so this is, I've got into some settings, and this is on mono instead of stereo. So on my bar here, I am running both. I'm on both sides of the speakers, I guess you can say. Because when I was listening into it, I only heard audio on like my right side. So it was kind of weird. So I want to test this way out first, so you guys can hear it, and then you will see after this the other test I did. Thank you. All right, let's try this again. I just filmed the whole clip and there was zero audio. All right, so I decided to do this clip again, and we want to test this. So right now you're listening to the mic on my laptop that is just right here below the camera. We want to test that, and then I want to test it with the DJI Mic Mini. All right, so hopefully I can get it to work this time. Transmitter, put the adapter in, clipped in, good to go. All right, now as soon as I attach this, my audio is going to cut off, and then I got to turn this one on. Okay, give me just a second. All right, are we working now? So far we're working. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my hat because this is where I like to put it. I don't like stuff on my shirt. I'm a big dude. It's not even that. I don't like stuff on my shirt being pulled down. It drives me absolutely crazy. So this is where I want to put it most of the time. Let's see, audio is working, it looks like. So that's a good sign. I'm gonna test something out here real quick also. Put this back in. I'm gonna put this one back in the case for now. Of course I gotta plug it in. Put this back in the case. Okay, still got audio, it looks like. We're good there. All right, so this is a test straight out of the box like it was before. I don't know how it's doing. Hopefully it's doing good. You guys will know. I'll know before I post this. That's beside the point. All right, now I am going to try turning this up just a little bit. There's this little knob on here. So let's turn it up. Oh, that was negative. All right. So there's a test with it up 1 decibel or 1 click up. So however many decibels that is. So test, 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 test. All right, I'm going to go up another one. I think there's 1 more click up to see if the decibels go up. I am in the red right now. So obviously I talk loud enough that I don't need to switch that high. But we're doing this for a test. So test, 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 test. And that is all the way up. So just wanted to kind of do the differences in the adjustments on this transmitter so that you guys could hear the difference. Alright, I am back at 0. You know what? Let's go all the way down, just for, why not? Okay, this is a test. Still showing in the green, that's good. It's not all the way up in the yellow, so that's good. See how it tests, test. Alright, we're back at just standard 0 on the dial. So we'll see how that does. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give me some pointers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. This is just kind of a test of the DJI Mic Mini. I know there's a lot of videos out there, but I am brand new, like completely brand new to this wireless mic thing. So, and with a laptop especially, so I wanted to test it to see, I want it for beginners out there that have no clue what the heck they're doing. That's me. To show other beginners that it is not that hard to figure out, and they're not super expensive. They're great. They're easy, simple. I'm just on bone stock right now, so let's see how it sounds. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye, guys.